Here it is given that the Earth is assumed to be a sphere of radius r. A platform is arranged at a height r from the surface of Earth. Escape velocity of a body from the platform is Fv, where v is its escape velocity from the surface of Earth. Then the value of F is. So if you are just considering Earth as like a solid sphere of radius, let's say that is equal to nothing but r, and if you are keeping an object of mass m on the surface of Earth, so we know the concept of it, this escape velocity. We'll just find out the total energy. So currently it is having a total energy is only potential, that is minus gmm divided by r. So we need to supply some additional energy in the form of velocity, let's say that is v, so that its total energy becomes equal to 0. So its kinetic energy becomes half mv square and should be equal to 0. So this is the way we will calculate the value of its velocity required, or the value of escape velocity. And from here we know that the value of escape velocity is going to be root of 2 gm divided by r will be the value of this escape velocity. Now in second situation, they are given it as this object is at a height r from the surface. So assume that the object is somewhere over here. So from the center, this is at a distance that is equal to 2r. So over here, if you are writing the equation for its total energy, then it's going to be minus of gmm divided by 2r is a distance. So we need to supply an amount of energy. Let's say it is given that half into m into. It's given that escape velocity of body from the platform is f times of escape velocity on the surface. So we can take it as it is fv the whole square. So that's total energy becomes equal to 0. So we can write over here gmm divided by 2r is going to be half into m into f square into v square. So in rm is to find out what about the value of this f over here. So we can write gmm divided by 2r is equal to half into m into f square into the value of v already we calculated, and we can just put it over here. That is v is nothing but 2gm divided by r under root, and so the v square is 2gm by r. So if you are cancelling this mass m over here and mass m over here, smaller term, capital letter G and capital letter G, and a 2 over here and a 2 over here, r over here and r over here. So the remaining thing is f square is equal to 1 divided by 2, or you can write f is equal to 1 divided by root 2.